Are you looking forward to fix cloud freezing on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings page, move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Claude. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App and once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So once the application is offloaded, you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Make sure you are connected to strong Wi-Fi. After that, try restarting your device. Tap and hold the assistive touch and click on Restart. Sometimes restarting the device might also fix the issue. Head over to Settings page. Move into iPhone storage. Make sure that the iPhone storage is cleared and there is enough space to run the application smoothly. So try some of the steps in order for you to fix the issue. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.